and Jackie's Cooking. And today, my friends, we are going to make some mouth-watering, juicy hamburgers. It's simple, it's packed with flavor, it's so easy, and trust me, I'm going to show you how to make it just as good. So stay tuned. My loves, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and do so. And don't forget to press that notification bell so you can get weekly updates on all of my delicious recipes. And don't forget to like and share. Let everybody know Jackie's Cooking. So guys, here are ingredients. We have some ground beef. We have some red pepper flakes. We have black pepper. We have some garlic powder, and guys, the ingredients are listed in the description box below. We have some accent. This is something optional now, so you could use it or you don't have to. We have some complete seasoning, which is Sazon completo, and it doesn't have a lot of salt in it. We have some paprika. We have some creole seasoning. I love this stuff. We have some zesty Italian dressing, vinaigrette, and our green seasoning, also known as recaito, or in Haiti, epis. I have a recipe for that. That's the base to all of my cooking. Okay, so guys, let's get started on this juicy, delicious, tasty burger. Okay, so we're going to take the ground beef out of its casing. Okay, we're going to add some black pepper. And you could add as much black pepper or as little black pepper as you please. We're adding some paprika, some red pepper flakes. I love that little hint of heat. And again, you could adjust this to your liking as well. We have some garlic powder. We have our complete seasoning. Excuse me, guys. We have some complete seasoning. This doesn't have a lot of salt in it. All right. It just has a whole bunch of different herbs and other things going on. And we have some accent. I wanted to add some accent. Yes, it does wake up the flavor. But again, this one is optional. If you don't want to use it, you don't have to. We have our delicious creole seasoning. I love this stuff. I love it, I love it, I love it. And we have our green seasoning. Guys, this green seasoning is the base for a lot of my cooking. You're going to see me use this a lot of times. Okay, I do have a recipe on how to do this. Trust me, it's the base for everything. It's like the kickoff to delicious food. Okay, and this little baby here is our zesty Italian dressing. And yes, guys, it adds that zing to your burgers. Trust and believe. Okay, you will see for yourself. Okay, guys, so, you know, my hands are very clean, okay? You could use a spoon, but I think by using your hands, you really could get everything better incorporated into the ground meat. That's just my opinion, but if you want to use a spoon, you can. But I just say you could do it better with your hands, okay? Just make sure your hands are nice and clean. That's all I got to say. Okay, so we're just mashing everything with our hands, incorporating all those herbs and spices in there. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit more Creole seasoning. Again, you could adjust this to your taste as well. Okay, and I'm going to throw these on my grill because my husband and I decided to do a little barbecue today. Just him and I, you know. We brought this grill last year and we never used it, and it's July 4th, and we decided to just, you know, use it for the first time and put these burgers, and we got some nice smoked sausage, we got chicken, you know, it's just for me and him, you know, so we just wanted to have this day and just do a little cookout. Okay, so now we're going to take our burgers, we're going to roll them into a ball. You can proportion them as big or as small as you want, okay? Now, if you're going to do this on your stovetop, you can, depending on how thick you cook them and how you want them, you might want them medium rare. You might want them well done. I like my ground meat, my burgers cooked well done. So if for anything to be well done, I would cook them for at least 3 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes on each side, okay? And I'm sorry, I just can't stand to see pink in the middle of my burgers. I can't do it. That's just me. I cannot. I just can't. But again, to each his own. Okay, so I'm just prepping the burgers, rolling them up, flatten them up so I could get them out there to be placed on the grill. And as you can see, I'm just putting them on some aluminum foil and foam so it could be easier to handle. And you can do this the night before. You know, if you want, you could make these burgers and just season them and stick them in the freezer. And whenever you want a burger, the way I'm doing it right now, you can put them on some parchment paper, wrap them up individually, and whenever you want a burger or two, or for how many, whatever amount of people you'll have, at least they'll already be seasoned and ready for you to cook. Okay, so now I'm just going to stick these in the fridge until we get that grill heated up and ready to go. So as you can see, we're outside, you know, by my backyard, and we got the sausage going, we got the chicken going, and we are getting ready to put our burgers on. And guys, for some reason, with the zesty Italian dressing, it really adds a nice zing to the burgers. And not only that, but it makes it really, it adds to the juiciness of the burger as well. And you'll definitely see that for yourself. But I really had fun, you know, doing my first barbecue in my house. You know, mind you, we brought this grill last year, you know, but I guess when we're moving into the house and stuff like that, and with everything going on, we didn't have a chance to use it, but we definitely said, you know what, let's use it this year. And I'm glad that we did. We had a really good time. And guys, when I did these burgers, I cooked them in, you see, because the heat is different as if you were cooking it on your stove, I cooked these for about, I would say 4 minutes on each side. Okay, because again, we like our meat well done. But it depends on how you like it. You might like it medium rare, rare. I don't know, but I know how I like my meat cooked, you know, so. And there's nothing like a nice burger on the grill. I just love it. I love that smokiness, that grilled flavor. Oh my God. I just love that. And of course, you know, I had to slap some cheese on. We love cheeseburgers. The love of cheese on my burgers. Oh my God. And you know, guys, making burgers is so simple. Some people might feel intimidated to make burgers, but it's really easy. It really is. Of course, this one is for my husband, you know, with a double meat patty on. Yes, exactly. That looks delicious. And it was just as tasty as the way it looks. You know, taking care of my chicken, slapping that barbecue on. And this was just such a good time. A really good time, guys. I really enjoyed it. Yes, we had some flames going on, but hey, that just means that nice grilled charcoal. Well, actually, it's not charcoal, it's propane. But it was so good. It was so good, guys. But I want to wish everybody a happy 4th of July. Stay safe. Let's love one another. let's just be there for one another, you know, because there's so much craziness going on in the world, guys. It's so crazy. And we just got to come together. Okay, a little bit more love in the world. Well, actually, a whole lot more love in the world. Bye, guys. Enjoy.